everyone, it's Irene. Thank you for joining me again. Today I thought we'd have a little bit of fun and we'll do a pearl paint pour. Now I've just got a really old canvas, as you can see it's got a crack in it, and I don't actually care because this is just a test. Haven't even got it up, not even taped it, so we'll see how it goes. Now to make pearls you need DecoArt Extreme Sheen paint. So today I'm going to be using DecoArt's 24 karat gold, DecoArt's Extreme Sheen Emerald, DecoArt Extreme Sheen Coral, and DecoArt Extreme Sheen Sapphire. And hopefully we're going to get a multitude of different colour cells. So all the paints, these paints are poured 50-50 to the paint and Australian Floetrol. So we'll just start to lay them out. And we got our green. I'll just do it on top of each other. I'll do another layer. Our coral. Our sapphire, which is gorgeous blue. Back to the gold. Just finish that off. The emerald green. Coral. I've got an auntie named Coral. Then our blue. This blue, it's just beautiful. I do love a good blue. I'll put a bit more out here. Okay. Okay, now we just want our black, and the idea of the black is to push over the colours, and then these colours will pop through and show us some cells. So the black I've used is Araldo. It's an Australian paint, I believe. And oh, the mixture, I don't know if this is going to work or not, but it was 100% Australian, 100 grams of Australian Floetrol, 75 grams of paint, and 50 grams of water. So we'll see how that goes. And there's probably too much paint on here, but now we're going to run it off, bring it back, run it off, bring it back, run it off, bring it back, run it off, bring it back. And hopefully the black will then push over all the colours, and the colour will pop through the black and give us beautiful pearls. So over that side, bring it back. Over that side, bring it back. Over this side, bring it back. And over this side, and bring it back. Okay, I'm just gonna wash my hands a bit while it does its magic, hopefully. Won't be a minute, I'll just wash these gloves. Now, you're supposed to help the process along by giving it a bit of a torch. I'll get the big torch. Don't over torch it or you will scorch your paint. I've got to pop the bubbles anyway. Now we wait for the magic to happen. Fingers crossed. It's not so bad on this side. Apparently the last side you pour off of on, which was that side, gets the least pearls. So hopefully this will spread. What I'll do is, this takes a little while for them to pop up, so I'm going to put you on hold and then I'll bring you back and we'll have a look, see how we did. So I'll see you shortly. Okay, I'm back. It's been half an hour since I last saw you, and this is what has come up. So I'm pretty happy with that. Kind of looks like a cave. Sorry if you're getting a reflection from the ring light in the black, but it's quite pretty. The gold, all the colours are sort of mixed in. The blue and green have sort of mixed here. I wish there was more of the blue though. The green seems to be quite strong. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. I'll just put you on hold and I'll bring you down and give you a close-up and see if we can get some shine going. Hi guys, I'm back. Just bringing you down. That's the ring light in the middle that you can see. Let's have a look at this shimmer on this. It is stunning. Look at all those colours. I love this one. Let's see if I can get my finger there. This one. I love this one. Look at it. It's got every single colour in it. Yes, that was my cat meowing. She's waiting to be fed. Oh, Coco, you're not going to die. Oh. Does she look like she's starving to you? No, I don't think so. Sorry, back to the colours. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, well, that wasn't bad for a first try. There's a big gap in the middle, and I believe that's how it is. I can either leave that, or I don't know, we can make it like a cave, and I don't know, should have a dragon or something coming out of it. Let me know in the comments the ideas of what we should put in the middle. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you get a notification next time I post a video. And I'll see you next time. So, hey guys, it's me again. Before you go, I've got a bit of bonus content for you. I just had a look. I didn't want to waste this gorgeous fall-off paint from that painting I just did. I don't want to waste that. That's really good paint. So, I've got my glass cabochons out and I'm going to do some dips. So, these are just little glass cabochons. They'll probably make little earrings. This size is a 20mm one, so that can be a bracelet. Oh no, that's probably a necklace. And these are smaller ones. These are 20 mils. They'll be a bracelet. I think these small ones are 10, maybe 10 mils. Alright, so I might do this handheld, so bear with me. So over here, I've just got a box, and on it I've got some golf tees, and I've got some blue tack on the top. So it's sticky. So all I have to do is get my cabochon, stick it down on, go straight down on the middle, push down onto it until it picks it up. And there it is on the end. So all I have to do then is find a beautiful spot of paint that I want and dip it in the paint. So I think I'll do earrings out of this beautiful colour. Can you see the gold shimmering? It's going to be gorgeous. So try and do this handheld. Sorry about this. So I'm just going to dip lightly in there. and suck it up. So you can't see the pattern. Wait a minute. You can't see the pattern there, but underneath will be that beautiful pattern you just saw. So I'm finished. I just put it in my handmade little box here. Make sure it's sitting up straight, and that will dry perfectly there. So just going to grab another one, straight down on my cabochon, pick it up, go somewhere around the same sort of colour. So I think about here. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Just push gently into it and pull straight up. There we go. Let's see if we can get a bit of focus on that. No, I can't. Yes, I can. Anyway, it's in there. So put it in my special box. Grab another golf tee. Straight down on my cabochon. Let's do a big one. And I think we'll do a big one in this colour. Go straight down there. You feel all the paint grab, pick it up so you can see the pattern underneath. I mean, it doesn't look right there, but underneath there'll be a beautiful pattern. So put it in my box, keep it straight. Grab another one. Let's do this size in the same colour because I like this colour. It's got every colour in there except for the pink. But that's alright. Grab it. See, you can see what it's going to look like. Let me get it over the white. You can sort of see it there. Anyway, put it in my box. Make sure it's straight. Grab another one. Let's do some different colours this time. Grab it, make sure it's on there properly. Oh, look at that with all the colours in there. What about that one? Or is there something else? It hasn't got the blue. Maybe if we dip around there. How about we dip in that one? Dip there. That's picked up all the colours. Beautiful. And the last big one. Push down, make sure it grabs, and what about down here? What have we got here? Blues, greens. I'm conflicted. Right, we'll just go in there. See how you can, I don't know if you can see it through the camera. It gets magnified. You can sort of see underneath what you're about to dip into. So I'll just show you on the side. There. Did you hear my bird then? He just said good job. He's so thoughtful. And there we have it. So not wasting any of the paint. I mean, there's more. I could do a lot more, but I won't let you see all that. And do you want to come out and have a look at my bird? We'll just go for a quick walk and have a look at my bird. His name is Jellybean. That's my cat, Coco. Hey, Jellybean. You can say hello to everybody? Oh, can you hear those crows? We don't like the crows, do we? Hey. No, you're going all quiet now, aren't you? When you can't see me and you can hear me talking, that's when you don't shut up. Anyway, that's Jellybean. I've got to go feed this cat because, you know, she's starving to death. So, hey, baby. Hello, gorgeous. You going to say hello? No, you've gone all shy, haven't you? You've gone all shy, baby. Hey? You've gone all shy. All right, that's it for me. Talk to you later. Bye.